Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download your own YouTube videos. If you're looking for a video to show you how to download videos that aren't yours, then this video unfortunately won't help. That is possible with software, but may be breaching the owner's copyright. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's move on to show you how to download your videos. Firstly, make sure you are logged into the channel account of the one you want to download the videos from. Now go to your logo in the top right and click on that, and then choose YouTube Studio. In the YouTube Studio, look for the Videos or Content tab and click on that. In here, look for the video that you want to download. If you can't seem to find it, then you can use the search function where it says filter to search for the video's title. Once you have found the video you want to download, hover the mouse pointer over it and then click on the three dots icon to bring up a menu with more options. Towards the bottom of this menu, there should be an option to download, so click on that. The download will automatically start, and once it has finished downloading, it will be wherever your downloads are stored. This is likely to be the downloads folder on your PC. And so that is how to download your own videos from YouTube. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows 10 PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.